If you're wondering how to check the balance on your Destiny card, follow this simple step-by-step guide to easily access your current balance. Step 1. Visit the Destiny Card website. Open your web browser and go to the official Destiny Card website, www.destinycard.com. Step 2. Log in to your account. On the homepage, locate and click the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner. Enter your username and password that you registered when you first activated your Destiny card. Click the Sign In button again. Step 3. Navigate to your account overview. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the section that shows your current account balance. This may be labeled as Current Balance or Available Balance. Step 4. Check your balance. Your balance will be clearly displayed, showing the available funds on your Destiny card. Alternative method. Call customer service. If you prefer to check your balance over the phone, you can call the customer service number listed on the back of your Destiny card. Follow the automated prompts to hear your current balance. Step 5. Use the mobile app, if applicable. If Destiny offers a mobile app, download it from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play, Android. After logging in with your account details, you'll be able to check your balance directly from your mobile device. That's it. You've now successfully checked your Destiny card balance using the website or other available methods. Always ensure your login details are kept secure and avoid sharing them with others.